This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, everybody. It's Michelle with Aculist, and we're going to talk about how to convert an HTML report to a PDF report. So we have some people asking about taking each HTML or the email-ready reports into a PDF, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I did was I entered in the zip code 95117, which is in Santa Clara County, and I see now that there are 6 reports. 2 of them, the bottom 2, are called email-ready reports versus the PDFs that are available for you. So what I'm going to do is click on the recently sold by zip code. And you can see this is distinguished because it has the content of the report in the body of an email. So it's meant for forwarding to other folks. So I'm going to put email me this report, click on that button. It's going to tell me they're on their way, and I should expect it in a few minutes. So what I did was went ahead and requested the report, and it was emailed to me. So we'll just take a look at the report now. This is the zip code report for 95117. And so how I'm going to convert it to a PDF is by taking my snippet tool, or I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to use Shift Command 4. If you're on a PC, you use a snippet tool. On a Mac, Shift Command 4. It turns into a bullseye, and I'm going to take a picture of the very top half of the email. So I'm going to go ahead and place it ever so carefully, and then I'm going to let go of my keyboard or my mouse and take a picture. I'm also going to do that with the second half of the report. Again, Shift Command 4, or using your snippet tool, which takes text and turns it into a picture. And I'm going to take the bottom half of the email, try to keep the same margins that I have so we can have some symmetry. And then I'm going to let go of my keyboard or my mouse and a trackpad in my mouse. So there are photos. So now what I'm going to do is open up a new Word document, and I'm going to take those pictures that I just took, and I'm going to drag them in. So you can see there that they were sitting on my desktop. So I went ahead and dragged in the first half, and then you can see me kind of drag in the second half. And I'm going to have to play with the margins a little bit because you notice they came on 2 separate pages because they're too large. So what you're going to do is click on the image and decrease its size. You may also want to do that to the top portion here. I'm going to play with it, and I'm going to make sure that it will fit on one page. So ultimately, when I have it ready to go, I'm going to take it, and it's going to look like this. It's going to have the top part and the bottom part. Make sure that they're the same. And when I get it to where I really am happy with it, I take and make it a full size. And I can do one of 2 things. I can save it, file save as PDF, which you see me doing here, save as PDF, which I could then share, or I can go ahead and take another picture of this by going Shift Command 4. Again, it turns into a bullseye, and taking one photo of it, which could either be turned into a PDF or used as an image in an email or on a mailer or a flyer or newsletter. So if I do that, now I have a PDF, now I have a photo, and I'm all set. If you have any questions, the way to reach Aculist support is 408-642-6970. Again, that's 408-642-6970, or email support@aculist.com.